morning. Well, it's good afternoon. I had to redo this part over, y'all. So good morning. So yeah, Bath and Body Works had a super good sale over the weekend. $10 off 3 wick candles, plus you got a free 3 wick candle with any purchase of $10. I did place 3 orders, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm ready to go and pick up those orders. I did place 2 more orders for my daughter in Texas. I got her 4 3 wick candles and 2 single wick. She don't really like vanilla scented candles, but I'm trying to change her thought when it comes to vanilla scented candles, because she feel like I used to feel. I used to say no way Jose to the vanilla scented candles, but now I truly love some vanilla scented candles. You know, they most definitely have to be blended with something. So I know she really like fresh scents. So now, like I said, I did 2 orders for her down there in Texas. And I got her the butterfly candle, blue sky breeze, and a fresh spring morning. And then I got iced lemon pound cake, pink lilac and vanilla, and summer melody. Out of these few, which ones do I think she's really gonna like? I really think her #1 pick is gonna be that blue sky breeze, because she loves fresh scents. She don't really care for like vanilla scents, but I'm trying to change that. That's the reason why I got her that pink lilac and vanilla, because she don't really go for vanilla scented candles, but I think she's really gonna like it. So I did pick her some candles that I really enjoy. Hopefully she enjoy it. I have not seen, I told her to record, y'all. I told her to record herself getting the candles, picking them up, and then give us her first impression of the candles. We're gonna see her reaction to these candles that I think is amazing. She might not, but we're gonna see in the next few clips, because I don't know what she's gonna pick. I think #1 most definitely is going to be the blue sky breeze, and then I think it's gonna be that spring morning as #2. I think butterfly is gonna be #3. That's just what I think. All these other ones, the lemon pound cake and the pink lilac and the summer melody, I think she's gonna like those, but I don't think they're gonna be her favorite. So we shall see. We shall see what she's gonna pick, because your girl don't know. So let's stay tuned for her reaction. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited to see what she picked. So let's head to the store. Let me grab my stuff from the store. Like I said, I did 3 orders, because this was an amazing deal. And all of the candles that I got, I will be exchanging when the other stuff come out. So that was the reason why I did this order. I tried to do another order, but for some reason in my area, they turned off the Bopus. So it was unavailable to me, so I couldn't do another order, even though I wanted to do 1 more order, but I couldn't. From my understanding, when they get so many orders, I guess it's a certain number. After that, it just automatically say that Bopus is not available until they fill those orders, and I guess until people come and get their stuff, I guess. I don't know, but that's just what I read, that's what happens. So even though your store might have it, Bopus, but it will be turned off once they reach a certain threshold, because they just don't have enough room to store the stuff, I guess. I don't know. So let's head over to the store, y'all. I'm gonna head into Bath and Body Works to pick up my 3 orders, and then just see what else new they have. Let's just see. Today they doing a soap sale. Oh, sorry. That's okay. They doing the soap sale, and buy 3 get 3 on body care, $3.50 soap. Let's go in here and see what they got. The store scent was Rainbow Waves, and when I tell you the store smelled so good, I absolutely have to have Rainbow Waves Wallflower. Gotta have it. I wanted to see what was the big hype about this beach night line, because I've never smelled it, but toasted marshmallows, sea salt, breeze, s'mores, and vanilla. It most definitely is vanilla heavy. It's actually really nice, but do I have to have it? No, but I probably would get it on 75% off, but regular price, it's a pass for me.
So I don't know if you guys may recall, but when my mama came to Texas, we had a whole discussion about how extra she was.
Now, if y'all think I'm extra, y'all ain't seen nothing. Y'all ain't seen nothing. You heard me. Y'all ain't seen nothing. Because this one right here, super extra. When it comes to the scale of extra, I'm probably like a 2. She's a 10.
Not you said you a 2.
I am a 2.
Yeah, right.
You don't think so?
Heck no.
Why not?
Mama. A 2?
A 2. I'm not extra like you. Now you super extra.
Okay, but you're not a 2. That means that you're not extra.
No, a 2. I said on the scale of being extra.
Yeah, you said
on the scale of being extra. That means everything is extra.
But you said a 10. And
yes.
You gave yourself a 2.
Yes.
You're definitely at least a 7.
No. I don't believe that. I don't believe that, y'all. She don't know.
Now, she claimed that she wasn't too extra. She tried to play it down so much. However, here I am. Bath and Body Works, the Mockingbird location, is right behind me. There's construction because they're expanding their store. However, I'm here for a pickup order. My birthday just passed. Hey now. But my mama told me to record myself picking up my order. Ain't that extra? Extra! So, here I go. Thank you. Thank you. So, order pickup. I don't know what it is because it is wrapped up, but I'll be back when I get home. I got some errands to run, and I'm about to get some Starbucks. Yay! So, I have 2 that's this size, so let's open up. And yes, my hair is now in a ponytail because it's hot outside. Summer Melody. I need some lip gloss. It smells like it got lemon in it. This is a good smell. Does this have a lemon in it? Oh no, it's honey and vanilla. I'm really not a vanilla person, but this smells good. That smells good. Butterfly, because this is purple, I'm going to assume that this probably has some lavender in it. That's just me assuming, guessing. Oh, this smells really good. This smells good. Why this one don't have no fragrance notes? Interesting. This smells good. This one smells better than this one. I don't know what's in that one. Now, Oh, these are two? Why was I thinking it's probably one candle? Okay then. I already know these some 3 wicks. Praise the Lord. I got 4 3 wicks. Yeah. Fresh spring morning. In blue sky breeze. Now, based upon my assumptions of the candles that I purchased myself from Bath and Body Works, I think this one is gonna smell good. I don't know. I feel like all candles that's blue, I be liking. I shouldn't have said that. This is giving me some conditioner I used to wear. Not that it stink. It don't stink. But it definitely reminds me of some conditioner that I used to probably be washing my hair with in the morning. Fresh spring morning. Blue sky breeze. Let's see. Oh, this smells good. Yeah, this is what I like. Morning spring air. Yes. Fresh violet petals, crisp gala apples, some ivy essential oils. This smells good. I like how this smells. Let me keep both of them like that. And this one had spring morning dew, aloe, creamy orange flower with natural essential oils. Yeah, this reminds me of conditioner. Okay. Pink, this is pretty. Pink lilac and vanilla. This smells cool. This one smells cool. But like I said, I'm not a vanilla person. Mama, you like vanilla. Me, I like lemon. Oh, just when I was saying that I like lemon. I know my mom was also talking about this one in her video. Iced lemon pound cake. Now, I've never smelled this in real life, but like I just said, I love lemon. There's no vanilla in this. This is sugary glazed icing, pure lemon zest, fluffy pound cake, whipped cream with natural essential oils. Let's see how I like it. I definitely smell cake in this. This smells good. This smells like cake for sure. It smells like cake for sure. This is a good smell. Yeah, this is a good smell. This is a good smell. So, let's see. Out of all of these are my 3 that I like the most. In no specific order. But let the record know, I like the decoration of this one the most. Because I love pink. But let's see. Which one? I'm going to put these in order. Least to favorite. As far as my top 3. Yeah. So I shouldn't say least to favorite. I'm about to just rank my top 3. This one just still smells good. Honestly, even though I really love lemon, I already know this is going to go in 3rd place. So it's between these 2. This one is going to be, no, this one is number 1. So this is 2. This is number one. I really like this smell. I really like this one. This one, I really like. All of them smell good though. I'm excited because my 2 candles that I just purchased, Sugar Lemonade, as you see, is about to be gone. Oh, I love the smell of this. And I had the pink lemonade. And it's over with. So yeah. Thank you, Mama.
I will be returning these candles. I got these for exchanges. At first, I was going to keep these like backups. That's amazing. Most definitely this chocolate chip cookie candle is amazing as well. As far as these, I knew for a fact that I will exchange these out because I don't like the Perfect Sunday. The Perfect Summer. And as far as this Summer Boardwalk, that come out every year. I have plenty of those. And then as far as this firecracker pop, I'm not really a huge fan of cherry scented candles, and when I smelled it, it smelled more like wax to me than cherry. So most definitely take it back. Now this Blue Sky Breeze, I was gonna get this as a backup, but I think I'm gonna exchange all of these candles out when the new stuff come. Blue Sky Breeze is amazing. Y'all know when I first initially bought that, I was kind of on the fence. I said it smelled like linen sheets. I still think it smells like linen sheets, but I like that. I like this one more than linen sheets. This one is actually really, really nice. So yeah,